Salem Tower information, Sierra, time 1454, Zulu Mita, wind 0106, visibility 10, sky conditions clear. Temperature 27, dew point 14, altimeter 3004. Expect visual approach, runway 33, landing and departing, runway 33 and runway 4. Notice to airmen. Runway 22, Pappy's out of service. Runway 33, Pappy's out of service. Runway 15, Pappy's out of service. All aircraft read back all hold short instructions and assign altitudes. Advise on initial contact. You have information, Sierra.
What's the ground? Cessna 5185 Yankee.
Cessna 5185 Yankee, go ahead.
What's the ground? Cessna 5185 Yankee with information, Sierra, IFR to Charlotte.
5185 Yankees cleared to Charlotte via the Greensboro 241 radio to join the Charlotte 039 radio. Direct Charlotte. Climb and maintain 2,500. Expect 6,000, 10 minutes after departure. Departure frequency 124.35. Squawk 5246.
Cessna 5185 Yankees cleared to Charlotte via the Greensboro 214 radio, Charlotte 039 radio, then direct Charlotte. Climb maintain 2,500, 6,010 after departure 12435, squawk 5246.
Sir, everything's correct except the first radio. That's the Greensboro 241 radio, 241 radio. Everything else is correct. And are you ready to taxi?
We'll be ready to taxi as soon as we start the engine. It'll be about 2 minutes.
All right, let me call down there and see if I can get you a slot time, and I'll call you right back.
5185 Yankee. Works pretty well.
5185 Yankee, you on?
5185 Yankee, we're on.
Okay, I can release you at 1548. That's 12 minutes from now.
You okay with that?
Yeah.
Okay, 1458 for 5185 Yankee.
It's 1548, 1548.
1548, 5185 Yankee. I guess the question is, do you want to taxi now?
Yeah, we can taxi now. Just get ready to go so when he releases us, we'll be at the runway.
Cessna 5185 Yankee, ready to taxi.
Cessna 5185 Yankee, taxi to runway 33 via taxiway Foxtrot and Alpha. Hold short of 4 on Alpha.
Taxi to runway 33 via right Foxtrot, left Alpha, hold short of 4 on 22, 5185 Yankee.
5185 Yankee, cross 4 on Alpha.
Cross 4 on Alpha, 5185 Yankee.
Cessna 5185 Yankee, runway 33, fly runway heading clear for takeoff.
Cessna 5185 Yankee, flight runway heading clear for takeoff, runway 33. Alright, now we'll go strobes and landing. Alright, approach is clear. All clear.
Tower here.
That worked pretty well as far as the timing.
Roger, sir, thank you. And you can proceed on course to the northwest.
Thank you, sir. Have a good day.
You too.
Approach is clear. All clear. And I think that guy's going missed. And then DR is 55. And then you'll climb out at about 75.
Alright. Let's go to Charlotte. Gauge is green. Airspeed's alive.
Then you also have the electric trim on the left side of that yoke too.
Charlotte.
Over to 12435, 5185 Yankee, have a good day. Greensboro departure, Cessna 5185 Yankee, climbing to 1,500 for 2,500.
Cessna 5185 Yankee, Greensboro departure. I don't have your transponder yet or a primary off Winston. Just continue your climb.
We'll continue 5185 Yankee.
Number 85 Yankee, I've got you now. Your radar contact. Climb and maintain 6,000.
Climb and maintain 6,000, Cessna 5185 Yankee.
Number 85 Yankee, turn left heading 180.
Left turn 180, 5185 Yankee.
Number 85 Yankee, I'm going to have an amendment to your routing when you're ready to copy.
5185 Yankee, ready to copy.
Number 85 Yankee, clear to Charlotte Airport via direct Gant intersection, Golf Alpha, November, Tango Sierra, Victor 409, Locus, direct.
5185 Yankee, clear to Charlotte via Gant, Golf, Alpha, November, Tango Sierra, Victor 409, Locus, Lima, Oscar, Charlie, Uniform Sierra.
Number 85 Yankee, it's actually Lima, Oscar, Charlie, Alpha, Sierra, and it's just right there on the end of Victor 409, and that'll take you, you'll stay on 409 all the way to Charlotte, actually.
Gant, Victor 49, Locus, Lima, Oscar, Charlie, Alpha, Sierra, 5185 Yankee.
Sure. November 85 Yankee, contact Greensboro approach 126.6, so long.
1266, 5185 Yankee, good day. Greensboro approach, that's the 5185 Yankee, level 6,000. And I'm going to go ahead and main the mixture.
November 5185 Yankee, Greensboro approach, Greensboro altimeter 3003.
3003, 5185 Yankee.
Hog 85 Yankee, contact Charlotte approach 128.32, good day.
12832, 5185 Yankee, good day. 12832.
Yeah, with Tango. Yep.
Charlotte approach, that's now 5185 Yankee, level 6,000 with Tango.
5185 Yankee, Charlotte approach, Charlotte altimeter 3000, expect runway 36 right.
3000, expect 36 right, 5185 Yankee.
585 Yankee, turn 30 degrees right.
30 right, 5185 Yankee.
Alright, so
November 85 Yankee, fly heading 250, center maintain 4000.
Right turn 250, descend and maintain 4,000, 5185 Yankee.
Number 85 Yankee, fly heading 240.
Heading 240, 5185 Yankee.
Cessna 85 Yankee, contact approach 125.35.
12535, 5185 Yankee. Charlotte approach, Cessna 5185 Yankee, level 4000.
Cessna 5185 Yankee, short approach, roger. Cessna 85 Yankee, descend and maintain 3000.
Descend and maintain 3000, 5185 Yankee.
alright.
5 Yankee, flighting 270.
Right turn 270, 5185 Yankee.
Cessna 5 Yankee, descend maintain 2,300.
Center maintain 2,300, 5185 Yankee.
Alright, 85 Yankee, fighting 330, Charlotte Airport, 12 o'clock, 5 miles.
Right turn 330, field in sight, 5185 Yankee.
Cessna 5 Yankee, clear visual, approach runway 36 right, contact Charlotte Tower at Hayu, 118.1.
Clear visual 36 right, Charlotte Tower at Hayu on 1181, 5185 Yankee.
Cessna 5 Yankee, just traffic 4 south of your position, inbound to the airport, it's American Airbus, at 3,500 for the center.
Traffic in sight, 5185 Yankee. Charlotte Tower, Cessna 5185 Yankee at Hayu, inbound 36 right, visual.
November 5185 Yankee, Charlotte Tower, runway 36 right, cleared to land.
36 right, clear to land, 5185 Yankee.
American 879, turn right when you're able, enter the ramp at Echo 12, contact ramp tower, so long. United 1750, RNAV 2, Bowie, runway 36 center, clear for takeoff. That's correct, sir. E-Bowie, E-B-A-W-I.
And then we'll keep going to Delta 4.
Right. Yankee, turn right the next taxiway, Delta 4, straight into Wilson.
Where's Delta 4, straight into Wilson, 5185 Yankee. Well, that worked out really well. I got your flaps. Perfect. And then we can go landing and strobe off. I'll lean the mixed drive just a little bit.
That was fun.
That was pretty cool. It's always cool.
This is where you used to work, Trevor? Yep. Wilson Air Center. They're gonna recognize me. They're gonna be like, I'm just ready for them to recognize me. It's Danny. He recognizes me already.
Alright. Shutdown checklist. DLT is silent. Avionics off.
Where's the avionics?
Stop.